What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not subscribed to the YouTube channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am taking you into this house right here behind me in Monroe, New Jersey. You guys know that we are on a mission to deliver a home theater to every house in America. We are working on not only dedicated theaters, but creating media spaces even in living rooms. And we are working on building up a preferred partner network throughout the entire nation to support that if you are not a DIYer. So in this particular situation, we are going to show off a Klipsch 5.1.4, and hopefully you guys find some inspiration. I've been out here on the East Coast hitting everywhere in New York and New Jersey, as well as highlighting one of my preferred partners' installations, as well as I hit up Virginia, and we went to DC, and we did Maryland. So just a ton of really cool, inspiring projects. I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. All right, let's get into this house and check it out. Hey, all right, let's check it out. Very nice. You got a little sitting area here?
Sitting area here.
Nice.
For the gaming, for like PS5.
Yeah, so you do your gaming on the TV and then you got your projection system over here?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, guys, so I just got into the customer's home and I'm gonna walk you through kind of what's going on here. What size is this screen?
Oh, it's 135 inch.
Okay, this is a 135-inch screen. You guys always ask the room dimensions. We got 24 feet this way and 13 feet this way. What we're running here is the Klipsch Reference Premier, the RP8000Fs for the front, left, and right. And then we have the RP504C as our center speaker. You guys know this front soundstage is super popular. Then we got overhead Atmos. Are these the 180s?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the Pro 180 RP C, and we got 4 of them. These are 8-inch in-ceiling woofers. So the idea is here with Atmos is all of your overhead effects are going to come out of these guys. So the helicopter, the rain, all of that good stuff. And then here at the back of the room, the customer opted for the 180, the Pro 180 RPW in-wall speakers for surround. And now these are going to perform as low-level effects for like your car screeching around a corner, a door slamming, background music, things like that. And back here we got the SPL 120, and this is a ported subwoofer from Klipsch, 12-inch, for your low-frequency bass. And you can see here at Dreamedia, we recommend even like little things like this that are small, but we try to think of everything and recommend them in our videos. This is a surge protector. It's only 29 bucks, and it's going to protect this sub from getting hit by lightning. Also recommended on the projector. And he's rocking the Epson, is this the 50-50 or the 40-10?
It's 240.
Okay. And this is the 3 LCD technology that you see in all of the Epson projectors. It's 4K E-Shift, not native 4K, but it's 2600 lumen output, super bright, vibrant, gives off a nice picture. Oh, you got something special going on here. Okay. So a customer just did a pretty cool little hidden closet here where he's got the strong FS series rack. And you guys know we really love this rack because it comes fully assembled right to your door, just like this, with the glass door, the fans built in, side panels, all of the shelving, and all the wheels, everything. How do you like that, sir?
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then we got the Wattbox surge protector in there with the light kit on it. And he's got the Denon 4700 powering everything up. Sweet. All right, guys, well, that's just the walkthrough on this theater. You guys know I'm traveling around New Jersey, highlighting a ton of homes. I'm down here in Monroe, which is a really cool area. I've been super stoked to come down here because I saw a ton of customers in this small area, so I figured it was a nice, like, suburbia area for families, and it's been really nice meeting everybody. But I'm also gonna play a demo on this system, so you gotta subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.